Another one, second we can write nanotech for soldiers. Nanotechnology for soldiers. So we'll talk about this thing in Indian context too. Many nano materials can be used to develop something for the soldiers. One of the biggest advantages of nanotechnology is different kind of clothings, and there is one organization in Telangana itself that is called International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Material, right? I don't know whether you know it or not. And this used to be part of DRDO, but it is functioning independently now. And they have developed something called technical textile. They call it technical textile. Technical textile are those textiles which are made according to the job. So technical textile for firefighters, technical textile for naval people, technical textile for the army. So according to their job, they have developed different type of textile. And these all textiles are made up with the help of nanotechnology, right? So firefighters' technical textiles are more fire resistant. Obviously, it won't protect from fire because temperature would anyway kill, but up to some extent it can give protection. Then technical textile for soldiers, because this technical textile is not only fire resistant, it can dry up very quickly. The same technology now players are using it, quick dry fabric. So these kind of things are coming up. Odorless fabric, self-cleaning fabric. So these all kind of fabric, they develop this particular organization in Telangana. So you can write